Hello everyone, welcome to People's channel. So today in this video I'll show you video samples shot by Vivo X60 Pro, and all the shots I'm taking uh, in night time. It's almost 9:15 p.m. So the light which you are seeing here is totally artificial light, so you will be able to see by yourself how is the video quality in artificial lighting. And almost all, I mean the whole video will be shot by X60 Pro. So yeah, front camera or rear camera, everything will be shot by this one only. So and also the audio will be recorded via internal microphone. I'm not using any external mic or something. And also I will try not to process the audio, so that you can get an idea how well this microphone does. And also from this you will be able to get an idea if you want to use the front camera for vlogging or something. So yeah, from this you probably will get idea. Now I'll try to just move around, and I'll show you how's the uh, stabilization from the camera. But as you can see, it's completely dark here, and uh, it cannot actually record any, I mean it's recording, but you cannot see me. But it is understandable, because if there isn't any light or something, it will probably uh, won't show you something. So yeah, that is the thing. But in my opinion, from what I can see, the clarity seems to be good. But this is my first time recording from front camera, so even I will see the recordings. Right now what I can see, I feel like the clarity is quite good. So yeah, let me switch to the rear camera. And the most important thing about rear camera is the gimbal stabilization. So you will get an idea how the stabilization is. I will try to walk around and I will show you how the stabilization is. So yeah, let's move on to the rear camera. So this video is being shot at 1x from rear camera. You can also record videos at 2x and 0.6x. So from this you will get an idea how well the stabilization is. And I am not trying to stabilize my hand. I am simply walking. I'm not trying to run or something. I'm simply walking. So from this you will get an idea how well the stabilization is. And also the audio is being recorded via internal microphone. I'm not using any external microphone. So yeah, you will get an idea of how well the clarity of the audio is. So yeah, now let's switch on to 2x zoom, and from that you can see how well the 2x works. Now this is 2x, and again, from what I can see here, seems to be quite a stable video. And if you want to record videos handheld, I think the videos will come pretty good. And once we will be done with this walking or stabilization thing, we'll also try to see how well the focusing is. And again, it is almost 9:20 now, and it is the video is being shot in completely artificial lighting. So yeah, this is the thing. Now let's make a video from a wide angle. So yeah, let's switch on to wide angle camera. Yeah, so this video is being shot at 0.6x. So it is quite wide, but seems like the video is really very dark. And yeah, of course the sensor is small, so it can be understandable. But even the video in artificial lighting seems to be quite clear. So here you can see that we have one bulb here, and the other one is there. So these are the two bulbs which are providing us the light. And if we are in these lighting conditions, I think the video is quite clear. So yeah, that's the good thing. So if you have just a little bit of light, your videos will do pretty good. Now let's turn on the flash and see how well the video will be, and does it improve anything or not. So it certainly improves a bit, not by a huge margin, but yeah, something is better than nothing, right? Now let's take a video at 1x and see, with flash of course, so and see how well it will do. So this is at 1x, and the good thing is you can switch between cameras while recording. So yeah, that is a good thing. And yeah, seems like uh, one at 1x or from the main camera with flashlight on, the video is actually really good. So I think from this you would have got an idea how well the stabilization is and how well it will perform in night time. Now let's try to focus on, there are some flowers, let's go there and we'll try to focus on them. So right now flash is on, we'll try to focus on them, and yeah, seems like it has focused. Now let's go there, back to the flower. It is doing pretty good, there isn't any focus hunting or something. It is focusing properly. Now let's switch off the flash and then we can try. So yeah, it has focused. And so yeah, from this you would have got an idea how well the focusing is, and I actually liked it. There isn't much focus hunting, and also I will watch the video very carefully after we are done recording, that if in this mode we have any focus hunting or not. So far I couldn't notice much focus hunting, but if there is any, I will put it in the form of text into the video while editing it. So I hope you would have got an idea how well the stabilization. Now let's actually try to run a bit and then we'll see how well the stabilization is. So yeah, I will try to run, not very fast, but yeah, like jogging. So yeah, I tried running, and I didn't look at the screen. So yeah, I will again see the video, and I'll let you know how the stabilization, and you would have already got an idea how well the stabilization is by looking at the video by yourself. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And also subscribe to the channel. It again helps channel, and we are a very small channel, like we have 122 subscribers. So if you have anything specific, you can always ask me in the comment section about this phone. I will be more than happy to help you. And I got this phone for 45,000. We had HDFC offer, so yeah, by using HDFC card, I was able to get 5,000 cashback, so that's a good thing. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this video, and I'll be making more camera videos or camera reviews of this phone in daylight condition and several other condition, like how well it does for tracking your face and all those kind of things. So if you want to watch all those videos, please subscribe to the channel and be a part of people's channel family, and your support means a lot to me. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye.